What's up, guys? So in this video we're gonna be talking about what I do if I have to make 10K a month inside my credit repair business and I had to start from ground zero. So let's dive right in. This is gonna be a real raw video and I'm just gonna give you guys the game on the exact steps that I take. So the first thing I do is specialize my offer. So who I help, what I help them do, and how do I help them. That'll be the first thing I'm figuring out. Like, I'm not just gonna go out here and say I can just fix your credit. I mean, although you will get a few clients, but if I'm going to make my first 10K, these are the three things that I'll be looking for. It's like what type of client I'm gonna help, what I'm gonna help them do, and then how I'm gonna help them do that. And then so that'll be like the first thing that I do. So I'll have to specialize my offer. Just like I always tell you guys, if you're helping out business owners that's trying to get more money, different things like that, they gonna need help with their credit. And so if they do need help with their credit, those will be the people I'm reaching out to, because we got a good desired outcome that we trying to shoot for. Because if you start just working with people who just want to improve their credit, they don't really have a strong enough desire on their back end to where they can pay that price that you're trying to charge. So making my first 10K, I won't be charging like $99 or $100 a month, nothing like that. I'll be straight doing $1,000 plus for my service. And so that'll be the first thing I do, specialize my offer. Alright, the second thing will be, now that I got my offer, now I want to put some attention behind that offer. I need to get in front of the business owners that I'm trying to get in front of. And so what I'll do is paid ads. Y'all know that's my favorite thing. So we're going to run paid ads behind this offer. And so we're going to run paid ads to pretty much get new followers and get that new attention on their offer. So I'll be doing the content and stuff like that, but it'll be the paid ads that'll be attracting and getting those new people in front of me if I was start from zero. Now, the next thing, which we got specialized offer, we got paid ads. The next thing will be content. So the content will be objection handling content. I'll be handling the main objections that I know I'm gonna have from clients up front. So I'll be helping them out with different things that they'll need, so they can already start to know exactly what's going on, what they need on their stuff, how this process works, different things like that. That'll be my third thing, with helping them out with what they need, which I do that through content. The content will be where I like get them to know, like, and trust me, because I'll be giving them information on what they need, showing them case studies. And if I'm starting over, maybe I don't have that many case studies, but I can show you processes, or I can use different case studies that's out here, not other people case studies, but case studies of people going to the banks to get money and different things like that, to where I can leverage to be able to show them that it's not just only me that's trying to get them business funding or whatever offer that I'm setting up. I just leverage other things to be able to show them that this process works. And so that'll be the third thing. Now the fourth thing is, once I get those results back, so say you get a client or two, once you get those results back, that's when you create retargeting ads with the testimonials and case studies that you created. So if I got a client and start working together, and then I got them some type of results, the next phase, the next thing that I do will be creating the retargeting ads for the new followers who just came to follow me. So my new audience that I've been building up, I would retarget those people to start coming back to me, and I'm just showing them more case studies, more testimonials. I pretty much want to create that ecosystem to where they see me all the time. And so if I was starting over, I'm giving you the game right now. I'm gonna get a specialized offer. I'm not gonna offer what everybody else is offering, even though I know a lot of people offering the business credit type of thing to business owners, but I'll probably work with a certain business owner, you know, a solar business owner, or somebody, or a barber business owner, you know, somebody who I can specialize my offer towards. And so I do that. Then I will get the paid ads going. So we're gonna get the paid ads set up to where we can get in front of these type people, these type business owners. And then the third thing it'll be creating that organic content where we handling the objections, changing their beliefs, helping them out, and so they can know, like, and trust us through this process. And then the fourth thing is make sure I get them results, and then utilize those results that I'm getting. So throw that back into the ads, like retargeting ads and different stuff like that. And you're gonna look up and you'll have a few clients, and then you'll start showing them results and doing that type of thing to where you start to have a ton of more clients coming through the door. And so that's the exact process that I do if I had to start over again. And I'm thinking about doing the challenge. I've been really thinking about this to where, but I don't want to use my brand because I already kind of got a brand into the credit repair space and stuff like that. But I'm thinking about doing something. Maybe I'll do it with somebody else. Maybe like a client or somebody out here, to where we take them from 0 to 10K, 20K a month inside their credit repair company. Maybe it won't just be my face. We just start from new. But I kind of want to do it because of the content phase of like me posting the content, me doing everything. But yeah, I'm thinking about doing this challenge. So let me know if you guys will be interested in this challenge where we take somebody from 0 to 10K a month inside their credit repair company. And so yeah, that's it, guys. That's the exact process that I do. And so I'm out. If you got any questions, let me know. If you want to see this challenge, comment below, and then yeah, we can get it popping. So yeah, I'm out.